This is the real reason we're here today. There's where we're going. We got to go up to the second floor. Let's head on up there. Been wanting to get to this place since we got here, so today is the day. Friday, we have made it to the second floor of this humongous mall, and we're gonna go over here and find the car show or the car museum. Look at this, y'all. I want to show you something unique here in Thailand. Look how slow the escalator moves, and watch whenever I step on it, it's gonna speed up. Kind of crazy, huh? You okay back there, Marcy? Did you make it on the escalator okay?
I jumped.
Yeah, quite unique. I've never seen anything like that before. But we have made it to what I would consider the third floor, but here it's a little different. It's a huge mall, but it's kind of sad. Some of the spots in this mall, or some of the places in this mall are abandoned, not abandoned, but empty, like malls that you see. Yeah. Right here's the entrance. You can buy a Mazda while you're here if you don't want to mess with the classics. So here we go. There's the ticket prices right there. 250 baht. 30 baht is $1, so you're looking at about $7.50. $7.50. So. Oh, that is a 1990 Maserati there.
A 1990 open-top sports car designed by Zagato, marking a historical milestone with the world's first production twin-turbo engine delivering 245 horsepower. The exquisite interior, the hand-stitched leather, briarwood trim. This masterpiece embodies Italian luxury, blending artistic craftsmanship with high performance.
See here's the ticket counter. Let's see what we got to do now. If you're staying at the Holiday Inn, you have your room key, which is this little wristband, and that gets you into the museum for free. One more thing before you go inside and see the cars, or even afterward, there is a snack bar here and a bar. So if you want to get a coffee or anything like that, they have different kind of drinks and stuff. And they have different kinds of snacks. This is Marcy's, and this is mine. I'm the salty and she's the sweetie. Ain't that right?
That is correct.
Yes. So there we go. Let's go inside and see some cars. I got like a little gift shop over here with some models and stuff. So anyway. And whenever you get here, you have to tap your little wristband here, scan, right there, ticket success. Are we ready? Oh, the entrance is over here. We're supposed to scan it over here. My bad. Oops. Ticket success. Here, what's behind the curtain? Yikes. Wow. Here it is. There's a Ferrari. Let's do a quick walk around. Okay, we're going to show you all these cars. There's a lot of them in here. And then you leave a comment which one you want. And if you leave that comment, I might buy it for you once I reach multi-billionaire status. But still, leave a comment. Let me know, just in case something like that should ever happen. And here's the other thing. I don't know if you've noticed this yet. This Jaguar. But almost all these classic cars Oh, they got a flat tire there. Almost all these classic cars. Do you notice something different from any other classic cars that you'd see in the U.S.? Do you see the difference? I'm going to give you a minute just in case somebody has not caught on to it yet. It's a Mercedes. But yeah, do you see the difference? There's another Mercedes. Isn't that beautiful? Mercedes. Lots of Mercedes. Check them out. They got the little different things to show off the vehicle behind it. Pretty nice, huh? Really nice. So if you like Mercedes, if you like classics, you might be in for the 2015 here. Oh wow, check that out. That's beautiful. I don't think this is classic. No. Classic yet. Okay, let's move on to some Mazdas. There's the Miata for all the Mazda fans. Couple Miatas here. Couple Mazda vehicles, but never one of these. Have you seen enough of the Mazdas? 91 here. Alrighty, there's the mall we just came into. That's where you'll find this at. I thought it's going to be in different rooms and stuff, but it's just all one big, huge showroom. Got a couple more Mercedes here. How about that one? Wow. That's nice. There you go. Okay, if you hadn't figured it out yet, just every single car that we have looked at. Did you notice the steering wheel was on the right side of the vehicle? It's Martin, 2006. Some of them had the windows down, some of them had the doors open, some of them not so much. How about a Bentley? Need a Bentley? There you go. That's a 2010. Right next to the 94 S600. But here's more of my style right here. 1957 Fleetwood. That's got a lot of room in there. I don't know if this camera is picking it up, but wow. Check that out. I didn't even know Mercedes had a station wagon like this. Oh, it's a limo. It's not a station wagon. 1965. This car is actually older than me. 97. Uh-oh. Check this out. Wow. There's your limousine from 1978. (1978). They were living in style like this. That is nice. I wish I had the windows down. Another Bentley here. More Mercedes-Benz. And a Porsche. 1980. Porsche. How do you say that? BMW. And how about this 2018 Spider? Never been a real big BMW fan, but man, this could change things right here. There's a Rolls-Royce from 1992. Phantom. Now that's crazy looking. Sport 2. This from 1971. Wow. 1977 Rolls-Royce. How about that one? 98. Alrighty. Well, I think that is gonna just about complete this part of it. There's another room up here. We're gonna go up here and check it out over there in that corner. Oh, there's an art room in here. What'd you find over there, dear? You found us some artwork? Yep. And they even encourage you to take pictures and video this, believe it or not. Most art museums don't want you to film or video or take pictures for that matter, but they're okay with it here. Not sure what this has in relationship to car museum, but
Well, what it is
what's the deal?
this is for the people who don't enjoy cars. I do, but not as much as art. And this is connected to it, so I get to have fun after I was finished looking at the cars.
While Mitch is out there exploring and having fun.
Right.
Yes. So I think that's going to be it. And did you see that movie? If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button for me. We would both really appreciate it. Me and Marcy are having such a blast here in Thailand, and we are glad you're with us and you've made it this far. And yeah, thanks again for watching.